everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art series, we are going to experience the folk art famous for its representation of the circle of life and the geometrical designs. The Worli folk art part 3. So stay with us till the end to know more about this beautiful folk art, Worli. Today, my dear friends, we are going to talk about the categories of Worli painting, tips and tricks about Worli art, and main features of Worli art. So this is the part 3 of Worli art, right? In the previous 2 parts, we have talked about the origin, the history, and the details. So today we are going to talk about these 3 topics. And about this painting, today I have tried to combine a bit of modern touch mixed with the traditional Worli art, as I am doing it on a colored background. And the rest scene is very much similar like the daily life. About the categories of Worli painting, Worli painting can be divided into 4 major categories: the gods, the people, the animals, and rites and rituals. Worli paint around these 4 major categories. In the gods section, they have their old folk stories which they paint about their gods. These paintings tell us about their devotional nature towards the supreme power of the nature and the gods. Under category people, they mostly paint about good deeds which one should do in his or her life and bad deeds which one should keep himself away from. Now comes the animal category. In this category, they have the stories of their pet animals like dogs, cows, buffaloes, hen, goats, and all the other animals living with them in the jungle. But most commonly painted paintings are under the theme of rites and rituals, in which they paint about festivals, celebrations, and other auspicious occasions. Now let's talk about the tips and tricks of Worli painting. So in 1966, during the severe drought, the All India Handicrafts Board sent artist Bhaskar Kulkarni to Mithila to encourage the women to paint the same motifs on a paper. And this is about the Madhubani art. So Madhubani art is also kind of tribal painting which used to be done on the floors and the walls. So from All India Handicrafts Board, Bhaskar Kulkarni artist encouraged the women to paint those motifs on a paper so that they can sell it, and during this severe drought time they can earn some money. So in the early 70s, he did the same thing with the Worli tribe, and the Worli, he taught them also how to make these paintings more substantial. He taught them how to paint on a canvas, clothes, paper, and other materials using paint brushes instead of twigs, and paint them, basically how to make it more easy. And he introduced the synthetic colors as well to their paintings, which made it more durable and bright. Now about the main features of Worli art. What are those main features? Number 1 is the creation is based in lines and geometrical figures. Pictures 2 is pictures on different skylines, that means horizons at a time. 3, a view of plan and elevation at a time. 4, X-ray drawing, sketching of invisible things. Number 5, emissaries arrangement. Number 6, micro and perfect observation. Number 7, a try to increase the descriptive reality than the sketching reality. Number 8, a try to give design oriented look for things in nature. Number 9, combination of reality in life and some imagination also. So continuing with the tips, main features. So this painting is actually doesn't follow the conventional rules of art, and it is easy to draw, and there are certain purpose of using the symbols in this painting like sun, moon, frog, etc. Mostly these drawings are drawn in the inner part of their heart and on the walls of the main entrance. And the purpose of doing this drawing, Warli art drawing, is to take the blessings on that particular occasion it is drawing on, like Diwali activities or any marriage functions or something like this. And this art is a type of hieroglyphics. This art is a hieroglyphics and subjects in a single drawing. And the last is the themes in Warli painting are highly repetitive and symbolic. Friends, enrich us with your thoughts, feedbacks, or any suggestion about our drawing sessions, and you can write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know more about different art forms and the stories behind these arts, so do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a week full of positive vibes. Stay safe at home and take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.